Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Can I get your official name in the build real quick first?
Shannon Boone, out of Tennessee, team leader for Tennessee Team Resilient Sounds. I'm running 5 Platinum 12, Sound Digital Power 20K, J&S Alt, no wall, pretty violent.
So, what's your SPL scores on it?
I can do a 57 in the kick at 34 hertz. I just did a 51.9 at 21 hertz for a minute average. So.
Okay. Oh yeah.
All right, we'll give you a little range here, man.
Yes, sir. That's true.
Finish, nigga, remember that.
You're adding another one in here.
Yes, I
yeah.
have.
Wow.
Yes, I have. I'm about to do a little something. Are you going to come to our high voltage show?
We might. We don't know yet. We have to check Facebook.
Hopefully you do, because I got a little surprise coming in the wagon.
Gosh.
So
wow.
we're going to do a little something different. So
this is impressive, dude, for a no-wall. You've done some work on it. Nice job, Shannon.
Thank you.
I like this, man. This looks really good. What is your amp wire to with 5?
It is 0.80.
0.80, okay.
Yeah.
All right. You got one more for me?
Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
This is a freak. I just now trying it. It's new. I've seen them at the X House Power Show, so I'm going to give them a... See what they did. Let's see what we got here. We'll get you on something low.
All right. Man, I appreciate that, dude. That is
No
awesome.
problem. Thank
Really
you,
low.
man.
Yes, sir. Thank
All right,
you.
awesome.
That is windy. Hey, can I see the ports just to
You
see
sure
them?
can.
I appreciate
Sure
it,
can.
Shannon. Wow, that was fun. Awesome. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh, you added a slight roundover.
Yes, I did.
That helps a little with rollover.
Yes, it did. And then at the last show, we split here, which was split the metal.
Yeah.
Because
Oh.
I did a minute run at 30, and it split it. So we welded here. I've reinforced it.
Yeah.
So I just did a run in drag today at
Yes, sir.
28 hertz, and it lasted for a minute. So
Solid. Nice
I did a
job.
51.9.
Okay. Gibson custom closures.
Yep, Shannon Gibson built this enclosure.
Nice. Nice to meet you again, Shannon. Appreciate it,
Thank
man.
you.
Awesome. Good job.
Multiply the paperback. Gorilla, I'm a silverback. My mama cut the Similac with hot sauce and bacon fat. Really don't know how to act. Started, I'm a finished nigga. Remember that. big and fat. Really don't know how to act. Started, I'm a finished nigga, remember that.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.